Hello everyone and welcome to Forex Trading Made Easy. I'm George Smith. Today I want to show you a few tips that I haven't shown you before. I also want to show you some long-term trading since I've been showing you mostly scalping for the last two sessions. So let me start by showing you the one-day chart. You can see prices have been mostly rising during this period. That's why around 7:30 this morning I started getting ready to buy. I did that because the bars on the left-hand chart, the MACD bars, were changing color and prices appeared to be getting ready to move higher. I then went to my AVG log at the indicator package. I saw that the low had been made at 37.15 and the target was 37.43. That's when I began placing limit orders, 5 pips apart, each with a 12-pip stop. Once prices were moving in my favor, I combined all the stops and moved them higher. Then I noticed the signal line at the bottom of the left-hand chart had just started to go higher. That's when I grabbed my target line and moved it higher, hoping to make a few more pips. So instead of getting out at 37.43, I was able to make a nice profit at 37.50. The whole trade took about 25 minutes. I then started getting set up for the next trade in the opposite direction. Here I am putting on the same orders, 5 pips apart, each with a 12-pip stop. Now remember, I'm putting on this order because the target had already been met at 37.43, so I know this was pretty close to a top. Once again, watch how I combine my stops and move them down. Here's what prices looked like on the 15-minute chart. Here's my third order getting filled, and this trade took almost all day to work out. Here I'm moving my stops again. At this point I'll lose 15 pips if I'm stopped out. Right here I'll break even if I'm stopped out. Then a funny thing happened. Right in the middle of the trade, everything was gone. Let me tell you why. I had been watching my Oscar log, and here it was making a new low and starting up. That told me that I shouldn't be in this trade any longer. So what I did was close out all the trades manually. Here's what it looked like. Now that I believed prices were headed higher, I started putting on buy orders. My first 2 orders were filled, but not my last one. That's when I started bringing up my stop line and was stopped out. Just before going to bed, I saw that prices looked like they were going to fall out of the channel. So I went ahead and put on 3 sell orders. Here's how that turned out. On this trade I just got lucky. I was never stopped out. Here were my results. Right here is when I was stopped out. Then went on to make a total of 118 pips, minus the 11 pips I lost. This was supposed to be the end of my video, but while I was making it, another trade popped up and I went ahead and recorded it. I'll show it to you here just for the heck of it. But try to follow along with it so you'll see how consistent I am with my stop orders. That's all for now. I'm George Smith. Thanks for watching.